going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I have to show you the #1 website / app that you can use to make money in 2023. All you're going to be doing is basically leaving reviews on, random songs, submitting it, and you're going to get paid just like that. Very simple to do. I'm going to show you how it is. I'm going to show you how to cash out, all that good stuff. Very easy to use. I've been using it for, years now, so very comfortable with it. Like I said, I'm making really good money with it, so I just want to show you how to do it. So basically, this is the home page. You'll come here, and you click on this. You'll see at the bottom left corner, they have this kind of little tablet and a pen. You'll click on that, and it'll take you to a review of the song, all right? It'll take you to a random song. And for this part, I just kind of fast forwarded it. But basically what you'll do is you'll listen to the song for at least 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you'll just leave a review on it. You know what I'm saying? What you think about it, from the artist to the beat, all that kind of good stuff. And as you're filling it out, you'll see that second orange line is getting longer and longer. Once it's full, that's when you're able to submit it. So, like I said, you have to listen to it for at least 1 minute and 30 seconds, and that orange bar has to be full. So that's how you'll do it. And then once it's done, you'll see this next button. It'll light up orange. You'll click next, and you can rate it anywhere between 0 to 10. For that song, I gave it a 6. And you'll see here, it'll take a little minute for them to decide what to give you. And you see that I got 18 cents for that review. Just like that. For 1 minute and 30 seconds, 18 cents. So I'm going to do another one. You'll see here, it'll show you the name of the song after it's all done. And then you go back to the home page. I'll show you that my balance went up. So now I have $9.84. I had $9.66. So again, I'll do another review just to show you another example. Same thing, just at least 1 minute and 30 seconds. Leave a review. When you're leaving a review, you want to make sure you're actually writing something that makes sense. You don't want to just write, random stuff, because you can put your account at risk of being, deleted or suspended and stuff like that. So, just honest review. You don't have to make the greatest review in every song. If you don't like the song, you don't like the song. You know what I'm saying? Just what you think about it. And just make sure that it is quality review, and then you just submit it. So again, when you're done, after 1.5 minutes, the button will light up orange. Click what you think about it. You rate it. And then wait for it to credit you. And as far as what they give you, it really depends, from day to day. But again, I got 18 cents. Some days are high, some days are low. So it'll tell you the name of the song. I go back to the home page, and now my balance should go up right there. I have $10.02. So the thing about it is, the minimum to cash out on this website is $10. So I can now make a withdrawal. I can put in $10. And I gotta confirm my date of birth, all that kind of good stuff. And then once you do that, you just basically click withdraw. Whatever email you use to sign up, make sure you use that in order to receive money. But that's the one they're gonna pay you with PayPal. That's the only option they have as far as payment. So, like I said, whatever email you use to sign up, make sure that's the email you use for PayPal as well. And then you just click withdraw, and it'll make sure, are you sure you want to withdraw $10? And I'll just click withdraw right there. And now my balance will go down to 2 cents. And it usually takes, a few days for it to get to me, maybe like 3 days, at the most. So that's how it goes. I do want to make it a point. You see I had $10.02. I could not cash out that 2 cents because they only pay you in dollars, in the sense of, like I said, minimum of $10. So if you're going to get, if you have $10.80 in your account, you can only cash out the $10 and leave the 80 cents for your next withdrawal. But if you have, $11.80, you can cash out 11. So just, the whole dollar. That's what I'm trying to make sure you understand that when you're cashing out. And like I said, minimum of $10 to cash out. And they actually pay out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So just make sure you get your withdrawal in around that time, and you'll get your money, quick, fast, in a hurry. It doesn't take long at all. So that's how it is. This is a website that you can sign up for. I'll leave the link to it in the description. And they also have an app that you can use, that you can find in the App Store for your Android or your Apple device, doesn't matter. So I recommend using both. You don't make any more or less on the website or the app. It's kind of the same thing. But for me, I'm on the go. I'm not always on my laptop, so the app kind of makes it easier to use when I'm on the go, just when I have some downtime, just make some reviews on music. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description. It's free to sign up, get paid to listen to music in 2023. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do All you have to do is book a session with the link below.